Hey rockers, we're here at the Rio Santa Fe. Gonna give you a tour of our room, the Rio Party Double Room. Let's go.
Cabo, baby. Yeah. All right, so we are in the 9th tower here at Rio Santa Fe. There's probably 30 towers here. I don't know. This resort is humongous.
That might be a little bit of an over-exaggeration if you're gonna check, but...
No, there might be 30. But right when you walk in here, to your right, you have the essential mix of alcohols in your room 24/7. You got tequila, Puerto Rican rum, vodka, and gin.
I mean, you can't ask for something better to greet you than a nice wet bar like this.
And then we have a coffee maker, some coffee, ice bucket, a couple of coffee glasses. Down here you have your in-room stocked fridge with Dos Equis. I don't always drink Dos Equis, but when I do, it's at Rio Santa Fe. We got huge waters, 3 large waters when we got here. A bunch of Pepsi. There were a couple 7-Ups, but we downed those already with some vodka. We need to restock that immediately. Let's check out the bathroom.
All right.
Now they did upgrade the rooms at Rio Santa Fe, I guess 6 months ago, so it is updated. There's a double sink, and it's more modern looking now. With the open cabinet below.
Yeah.
Or yeah, I should say shelf, right? And then we have the toilets over here.
A toilet.
I won't make a comment on the toilet paper. The toilet paper is kind of rough. I wouldn't say quite sandpaper, but ow! I opt for the Kleenex. I'm just giving you a little warning there. Over here we have the shower, walk-in shower.
It's for 2, shower for 2.
Shower for 2, baby.
Yes, with a nice adjustable head.
Adjustable head. Very nice. They have the dispenser here for your essentials. It's soap, shampoo, conditioner, all in one.
All right.
Save you some dough.
If you're backpacking it like us, this is an essential plus.
Yes, it is. All right, let's move on to the closet.
I'm Vanna.
They have an ironing board, which is cool, and an iron for all your wrinkly clothes from your suitcase.
Well, when you're packing in a backpack, it's definitely needed to freshen those clothes up for sure.
A safe right here. No worries when you're away from your room. Got your personal safe. Couple shelves down here, and then plenty of room. I would say if 4 people had to stay in a room like this, because I think you can get the option with 2 beds instead of 1, you could definitely fit enough in this closet. It's pretty big. And then over here, full-length mirror. What's up?
Luggage rack.
Yes, a luggage rack.
Built in.
4 shelves here on the dresser. TV is probably a 45 or 50 inch. They have about 50 channels, which is awesome. And about half of them are in English. We were surprised that some of the Rios we stayed at, there's only like 1 or 2 channels in English. So it's if you speak English, it's awesome. And then here's the king size bed that we opted for. A little sitting area over there for some breakfast. Mm-hmm. And then we have a rockin' the boat hat. Woohoo!
All right, yes, representing.
Let's check out the balcony. All the rooms here come with a balcony. Now, we booked the Rio Party room because we wanted to be close to the action.
That right there is the action. That building with the stairs has a rooftop area for you to definitely get a bird's eye view of that party. Fun party.
And then there's a couple seats out here. Standard balcony with 2 chairs. Now, when we booked the Rio Party room, I thought there was just going to be an open view to the party, but I didn't realize there was going to be a wall in front of us, but now we know. But for the price, it's pretty damn good, and we can walk right across, so it's awesome.
Yes, loving it.
Oh, by the way, down there, you see those people walking. That is actually a water park, and we have another video on that, so check that out. But we're close to the water park here, too.
Very, very close.
Now, one of the cool things that we didn't realize is when you book the Rio Party Room, they have a gift package for you when you arrive. So we showed up and there was 2 of these bags. There's one over there.
Yep.
And we're like, oh, cool, we get backpacks. But wait a minute.
So much more that's needed when you're at a resort.
A Rio Party mug. It's stainless steel, so for your beverage or coffee, whatever you like. Travel mug, awesome.
Actually, when you go to the bar, you have them fill up this and you take it to the pool with you instead of having those plastic cups if you want to keep it cold a little longer.
And then you have a protector for your cell phone. It floats, it's waterproof. There's actually under here, there's 3 layers of Ziploc. So you Ziploc it and then fold it down and
Yeah, it's really neat.
keep your stuff dry at the pool or the beach.
Yeah, I put my phone and my room key and a little tipping money inside of it, and
one cool thing about this case is
fantastic.
it works. You can actually use your phone. It's touch sensitive, so you can touch your screen. Some of those cases don't work like that. It sucks, but this one you can use your phone, full access.
Nice adjustable lanyard for around your neck. You want it a little tighter, you want it a little looser. I kind of did like I added to it because I like to take my speaker on the walks here because there's a little trek from building to building. So, and I put it on like a little side purse and just got my phone, got my music.
Always prepared.
Yes, right here. Hey, thanks for rocking out with us on this room tour of the Rio Party Double Room.
And make sure to subscribe because we're going to be doing giveaways this trip. And you never know what you're going to get. Yes,
this resort has a lot of vendors on the sand. We're going to go down there and see what they have to offer.
It might be a diamond ring, it might be a $100 bill, or it could be just a shell from the beach. You never know what you're going to get, so make sure to subscribe. Also, we have 8 cruises booked coming up in the next 6 months, and we have a special trip with my family. My mom, my brother, his wife, we're going to Hawaii next month.
Yes, we are.
Hawaii, baby. So make sure to stick around and subscribe to watch that adventure.
Yes.
And we'll see you on the next one. And remember, if the boat is a rockin',
don't come a knockin'.
see you next time.
Bye. Rock out.